Getting the decorating done in double quick time is what we all want from our decorating projects, especially the fiddly bits like the doors and the skirting boards. But if you use the right paint and the right paintbrushes, the job that you find a chore will become the part of the job you look forward to doing the most. Having everything you need and preparing the room is the hard bit. If you get that right, the rest will just fall into place. Dulux Quick Drying satin wood is self-undercoating, so you simply lightly sand the existing paintwork, remove the dust and start to paint. Use top quality acrylic brushes, not brushes made with natural hair. Natural bristles soak up too much paint and apply it too quickly. Acrylic brushes help the paint to go on evenly and flow smoothly for a beautiful finish. They're also easy to wash and keep in great condition for the next job. Dulux have formulated tough, quick-drying water-based paints for interior wood and metal in beautiful satin, eggshell and gloss finishes. They're touch-dry in an hour and you can recoat in 6. So if you are using old-fashioned, slow-drying solvent-based paints, it will take you over twice as long. They're also non-yellowing and don't have a nasty smell which hangs around long after the job is done, making cleaning up afterwards a doddle.